Hello children, welcome back to English class. Our today's topic is nouns, one and many. We have already studied nouns, so let's do a quick recap. What are nouns? Nouns are names of person, place, animal and thing. Now, nouns can be names of one person, one place, one animal or one thing. And nouns can also be names of many persons, many places, many animals or many things. Nouns that are names of one person, place, animal or thing are called singular nouns. And nouns that are names of many persons, places, animals or things are called plural nouns. Today, we will learn the rules to change a noun from one to many. The first rule, rule number 1 says, we add s to most of the nouns to change them from one to many. Let's take a few examples. One orange. And here there are many. Now to change the naming word orange for one to many, we add the letter S at the end and we get oranges. One orange, many oranges. One cat, many. We again add the letter S at the end of the word cat. So we get cats. One cat, many cats. One apple. We add letter S, many apples. One rat. We add the letter S at the end of the naming word rat. Rats. One rat, many rats. One doll, many dolls. One banana, add letter S at the end, many bananas. One flower, many flowers. One egg, add letter S at the end, many eggs. One crayon, add letter S at the end, many crayons. One ball, many balls. One umbrella, again add letter S at the end to get many umbrellas. One book, many books. One cup, again add letter S at the end, many cups. One house, many houses. Similarly, one monkey, add letter S at the end, many monkeys. One table, letter S at the end, many tables. In all these examples, we added the letter S at the end of the word to change them from one to many or singular to plural. Now let's move on to the exercises based on rule number 1. Exercise B, page number 11. Change the given naming words from one to many. First one, a doll. To change doll to many, we add the letter S at the end. Many dolls. A doll, many dolls. 2. A banana. Add letter S at the end, many bananas. A banana, many bananas. An egg. many eggs. Fourth, a flower. Again, we will add letter S at the end of flower, many flowers. Exercise D on page number 12. Circle the naming words that name one. Underline the naming words that name many. Then put them in the correct boxes. Here there are some naming words given. We have to look at each naming word. If it names one, we circle it and put it in the first column. If it names many, we underline it and put it in the second column for many. The first two examples are done for us. Flowers is a naming word for many. So flowers is underlined and put in the second column. Boy is a naming word for one. So we circle boy, put it in the first column. Now the next word is rings. Rings is a naming word for many. So we underline rings and put it in the second column. Kittens. Again, kittens is naming word for many. So we underline kittens, put it in the second column. Next is net. Net is a naming word for one. So circle net, write it in the first column. Next is ball. Ball is a naming word for one. So circle ball and put it in the first column. Next is umbrellas. Umbrellas is a naming word for many. So we will underline umbrellas and write it in the second column. Next word is carpet. Carpet is a naming word for one. So circle carpet, put it in the first column. Next is letters. Can you guess? Letters is a naming word for one or many? Letters is a naming word for many. So underline letters and write it in the second column. Next is pencil. Pencil is a naming word for one. So circle pencil, write it in the first column. Boat. Boat is again a naming word for one. So circle boat, write in the first column. Next is shops. Shops is a naming word for many. So we will underline shops, write it in the second column. Then we have chair. Chair is a naming word for one. So circle chair, put it in the first column. And the last one is grapes. Grapes is a naming word for many. So underline grapes and write it in the second column. Now in the next session, we will continue with the same topic and we will learn another rule to change a noun from one to many. So thank you children, and I see you in the next session.